Hey guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, I will show you how we can do the last matching lookup without a timestamp. In the last video, I have shown you how to do the vlookup based on this timestamp, like based on your date value. For an example, just assume that this table in this mind table, this date range is not available. What I want in this, I'll just show you in, I'll take you into the another spreadsheet to make you understand little better. Okay, for an example, last matching value without timestamp. For an example, here it is my party name and here is the purchase details, and here is my party name. Like I'll some take randomly some party name from my this data. Like I'll just take this much. I'll take this one also. Now this party name and purchase amount came. But here what I want, for an example, Abhinav, he has taken the 499 MRP. If Abhinav take the product again, Abhinav take the product again like 344. I want the latest entry, but here is the problem. There is no date range to control the like ascending or descending. In that case, what we can do, in this case also we can find it out by the query formula as well as if formula. Here little bit it is like logical statement we need to apply, and it will be very simple to get this value. Let me just start it. Now here what I'll do, I'll create a table by the if and query function. First I'll just show you the if array formula. If this a is to a is equal to blank, then give me blank. If this is not blank, then give me the raw function. Now you got raw a is to a. Now you got, this is the table, like this is the your one kind of the numbers, randomly it will be generate this number. For an example, I'll just delete this. Now you can see it was earlier 30, now it is blank, it's nothing over there. If I delete anything, then it will be keep reduced from my database. Now here what I'll do, this is my one of the data, either this is my one of the column. Now what I can do, I can take the query part. Here first I can select this e1 is to e, then comma, then a is to b. Okay, then now here I'll just open the curly bracket. Inside that I'll just take this my database and I'll close the curly bracket. Now here this is a table. Select star means select all. Now you can see here everything it is given to me. If you put column 1 for your header, now you can see your header has come out over here. But this additionally I don't want to take another column like this. What I can do in this case, I can just copy this data, like copy this formula and paste over here. Instead of this e is to e, then now you can see it will come over here this. Now I can delete this, but it's still showing the reference error, right? Because I have taken a is to a inside the logical statement while you are working on the if function in a range. That time you need to apply the array formula. For this, now what I can do, I can press Ctrl Shift Enter to get the array formula applied. Now you can see it is coming perfectly. Okay, so this is the what exactly what I needed. But now in this case, what I want the latest value should come into the top. In that case, what I can do, I can do put here order by column 1 DESC. Now you can see Abhinav has come in the top of my table, and that is descending by my this column ones. Like for an example, I'll just take here Abhinav again, and this time I'll just take 540. Okay, now let me just show you over here the Abhinav has come again, and now it is 540. But this in this case your like criteria should be matched perfectly. If criteria is not matched, like spelling mistake or something, then it won't work. So I hope the criteria always should match, because we again we are going to do the vlookup. Now what I can do in this case, for an example, here I'll take a party name. Here I'll take a party name. What is the recent purchase value? And here I'll take the my party name, and I'll just put the vlookup array formula. If this a is to a is equal to blank, then give me blank. This is the simple statement. If I keep putting my data over here, that what is the recent purchase value, it will give it to me on this b column. For that reason I have taken a is to a. If it is blank, then give me blank, or else you give me vlookup. And it is the lookup value is the a is to a, because I'm keep going to enter the party name over here to get the recent purchase value. And this time what I can do, I can just select this and comma 2 comma 0. Now you can see 540. For an example, I'll just take another time Abhinav, and this time I'll take 650. Okay, 650. Now you can see the Abhinav is coming 650. It will work fraction of a second, not even 1 second. So this is the how it's work. But for this time also I cannot take a separate database, either separate data column. For that what I can do, I can do one thing. I, instead of the star here selected, I have selected all the column. Instead, I don't want this column. This is only for my logical statement, order by statement. Once this much work only for this, I don't want this. For this time what I can do, I can do here column 2 comma column 3. Now only I want these two column, like party name and value. Enter. Now you can see this is coming very perfectly. And this formula, up to this, apart from the array formula, I'll just take everything. This formula I'll copy, and I'll replace within this range what I have given over here. I'll just replace. Now you can see it will work very perfectly. Okay, before then that, why it's not worked? Because this here it is showing a is to a, b is to b. Like in this a is to a mean this seat a is to a, seat 1 a is to a. For that what I can do here, I can just type seat 1 exclamatory a is to a. Same thing, seat 1 exclamatory a is to a, and here also seat 1 exclamatory a is to a. Okay, it's also working absolutely correctly. Now instead of the array, I'll just select everything, and I'll replace within this range what I have given in my vlookup. Now you can see it's working perfectly. If I delete this also, it won't impact to my like formula. Now again, Abhinav, if I take 650, and or already I have taken 650, 890. Now you can see it is coming 890. If I take any other thing like Antara, now it's showing me 1175. If I take another time Antara, now here this time I'll take 434. Now you can see 434 it is coming. This is the how it's work. Last matching value without timestamp. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you find something informative, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share to your friends whoever need this kind of the video.